Hello, Yatri. So, welcome back to Yatri Cloud. And if you want to get certified, you can add on a new certification in your checklist, which is coming from the Databricks. So, please do not miss this opportunity, which is coming after such a long time. And this is 100% free of on any Databricks certification. As you can see, Generative AI Engineer, which is from the Databricks itself, ML Engineer, Data Engineer 1, Data Analyst 1, and additionally, if you are looking for any Apache Spark developer certification, you can go with that. Yeah. So now in this video, I'm gonna be share with you how to get 100% off free voucher. And again, if you are looking for any such other discounted offer for AWS, you can simply go through our website certification.yaticloud.com, where you can just click on the get your 50% off and book a slot where I'm gonna be schedule your AWS exam whenever you want in the next month, next 2 months, anytime. And yeah, that's how you'll be getting a 50% off. We are not charging any extra money, so don't worry. It's totally 50% off. So yeah, let's back to our Databricks now. And here you can see Databricks just announced Databricks Student Fellow Application Program. And here, what you have to do. Here, first problem is gonna be solved. I know guys, there are a lot of issues. You don't have the work images right now, and also some of the people don't have any other business account, right? So in such cases, if you have the student email address, from that email, now you are able to get 100% free of one database certification. All right. So yeah, that is one good news for you guys. So now let's just bit scroll down few steps. I'm gonna be give you the summary. What is gonna be tell you. The first and foremost, if you want to be a leader, if you want to showcase your leadership, right? Database giving you the chance to host the events, seminars, hackathons in your universities along with the Databricks support. Secondly, you will be getting the agency recognized certification, which is 100% free, or in some cases, it is the discounted exam vouchers. Just make sure which exam voucher are you going to get after applying for this program, right? I'm gonna be share with you each and every steps how you can apply for it. Just give me few minutes to explain the benefit. Now, third one, as you can see, you are going to, getting some chance to getting a job and internship at Databricks itself. As you can see, already mentioned internship opportunities with its customers, partners, or the Databricks itself, right? So that is a good advantage for you guys if you are looking for any MNC job, especially for any AML, data engineer, analysis, anything, right? Yeah, there are some benefit that you can see. It's just similar kind of, Microsoft Ambassador, AWS Community Builder, or you can say Google Developer, right? So there are multiple programs are there. That's how Databricks now gonna be launched this. So yeah, this is something about Students Fellow Program from Databricks. Now, how to apply for it? Very simple. Just little bit you have to just click on the apply here. And if you want to go with more such details about the programs, you can just click on the program and just scroll down. You can see the benefit, whatever you are going to get. So let me beg, you can just read out it if you want to get more information. Now let's click on the apply here. And now you are able to see the one form. Now please do not skip the video. Please stay tuned with me. By end of this video, you came to know which you have to take care, what not, and how to get higher chance to get shortlist into this program. So first, please enter the name as per your ID card, as per what you entered during in your admission form. Secondly, here you have to enter the college email address is something like uh, .edu.in, right? This you can enter here if you are from the India. And if you are looking for this outside of the India, you can enter your college university email, whatever you have. Okay. Most probably, please do not enter the personal Gmail address here. Try to please enter the your college email address. Secondly, here you have to just enter few details about your current graduation date and your degree. Thirdly, here is your experience part, right? So here, how you should give the answer. First, please do not just copy paste the answers from the any AI tools. Try to give some realistic answers, right? Let's say, for example, I want to be a grow in such data engineer role. try to getting the more such a networks, try to getting much experience from the experts people. Also, I want to learn and share my skills, right, to the right audience. And also, there are multiple things you can share it to in the form itself. Please try to make sure it should be look something human retailable, not like AI generated content. Okay. And AI is gonna be detect anytime. Okay. So please do not directly copy paste. You will be getting a rejection. So please take care about while filling the form. Take your time, half hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. Okay. And just submit the form. Okay. No hurry. Take your time. Then, as you can see, the other information. So here, what you have to just go through it, right? It's a very simple, but make sure. Here, let's say you don't have the Kaggle profile. So what you should do? You have to just go to the Kaggle, create a profile, and paste it the link. I know your profile is gonna be showing something like very simple, right? Blank profile, but no worries. Just give the profile name. Y- Database just want you have a profile. At least you have profile, right? Nothing is better than have something, correct? So now here is a personal website. So what can do? You can just make us some kind of portfolio as per your interest, right? In case data engineer. So you can make a portfolio based on your data engineer role and try to host it out on Netlify or Versa and just hit the website link here and make up one account at Databricks Free Edition. So how? Just copy this one and go into your new tab, paste it here and just click on the Databricks Free Edition sign up page. Here you have to just go to your Google account or your personal or your college, whatever is fine. But try to make sure you copy your profile and paste it out in the form here itself and just submit the form. Okay. Now the let's discuss about some information. I don't still have the information about deadline of the form, and still I don't know how much time it takes to getting the emails from the database that you are gonna be selected or not. I will update all the details by time in the description, so please check once by whenever you are applying for this. And if you came to know that some information maybe I missed out in this video, just put it down the comment. Let me share with your experience with certification are you going to looking for. If you want any additional resources, you can join our Databricks Yatri community, right? So how you can join? I will give the link in the description. You can just go to the your new tab once again, type certification, or sorry, not certification, community.yatricloud.com, and here you are able to see the community groups, right? So you can just scroll down, and here Databricks community is not going to get updated yet now, but I will give the link in the description. You can join there and you can join other communities also. So till now, best of luck for your application, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment. I'm gonna solve it for you. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, see you and take care.